Say thank you to Mama Shin.
Thank you, Mommy Shin. You're the best mother ever.
Best.
You open that dress, BIC.
You're the best
For what?
for my toys.
She bought that toys for you.
Yeah,
You like it?
yeah.
Who bought that toys?
You're the best.
Lola Beth. Okay. And you see. Wait, do not put it there. So there's ball like that. One.
Look at
There's
my
one.
dog.
Oh, where's the? Oh, good.
My dog is.
Bitch is so happy for it.